In this video, you will learn how to import an Excel board into Placker. There are two ways that you can import your data into Placker. One is at the overview page, in which you can click Add/Import Board and click Import from Spreadsheet. Or you can click an existing board and on the top right corner click More and Import/Update Cards. Here you can paste spreadsheet content or click to select or drop spreadsheet to import. Now, select your organization and the target board for the data to be imported into. So click the button Process Data and set your date, number, and duration formats. Then click Confirm and select which attribute does each column in your Excel sheet refer to. For example, we have a column that has name on its title, and this refers to the title of the card. So let's select Title. Now, by Start, we will select the attribute Plan Start Date, and in End, we will select the End Date Plan. Now click the button Process Mapping, change the default date, status, and lists if you don't have these columns at your spreadsheet, and click the button Start Import. Then click Open Board, and notice that the cards that we had in our spreadsheet were now imported into Placker with their attributes of start and end dates. And that is how you import data from a spreadsheet to Placker.